Hey guys, how are you all? Today in this video, I'm not going to tell you about my introduction, but the thing that I would like to tell you is that back then, in the first semester, I made a website called ulbss.com as it claims from the bureau domain that you will sign for University of Lahore, and BSCS is a program that is being offered by them. So back there, after 2 months before, I was thinking that if I can hang up with the software, with the codes, if I can make some software, some exploits that just some kind of beneficial for University of Law students. So what I did is that I'll make you see here. So all you need to do is go to ulbss.com and look it for tools under anti-hacker zone. So under it you'll see my tools, and after clicking on it, you'll see Spec Tracker. So what the hell is a ULC Spec Tracker? SIS is a program that with this SIS you can access your all the things, your courses, your programs, your CGP details, your all the things. So it is a crack of it a kind of. So this is Pick Cracker is a Unicef Launches Profile Image Cracker. It's a tool that's made by root coders. With this tool, you can see any student's profile pic. You can access a profile pic whether they want to show you or not. So I don't know whether, but what I see is what I saw there is that GitHub at the time of admission when you go and give them the passport size profile pic of yours at the time of admission. So कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि उनके एडमिशन की जो फ़ोटोज़ होती हैं वो इतनी पुरानी होती है कि यार वो पहचानने में नहीं आती कि आई डोंट नो कि वेदर ये वही पर्सन है कि नहीं। एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज़ दैट कि कुछ लोग बहुत अजीब व गरीब आए थे, क्या लोग कहते हैं कि बस हट जाओ, जब मैंने चीज़ खोला हुआ है ना तो बस मेरे पास कोई ना हो। इनफैक्ट पेड़ से ज़्यादा अपनी वो प्रोफाइल पिक छुपा रहे होते हैं। So what I did is that with this software you can access their profile pics without not let them noticing that you are seeing their photos. So all that you do is go to ulbss.com and do all the things that I did to came here. So at the end you see the link that you're not allowed to view links. All you have to do is make a login or do register. So I'm gonna click on register to show you people that I can do it and how you gonna make it. So click on agree after agreement section. So all you have to do is profile, submit all the fields, your username, your password, your your email verification code, and after this all you will ask to verify the email that you provided here, and after having a sign in here. So I'm gonna sign in as I have already my credentials of login and password. So see, okay, so I've now successfully logged in, and I'll be now redirect back to the tip. So okay, so the link is now showing here. So all you need to do is click on the link, and you will now be redirected to the link where I have uploaded the file. So download the file. It's worth 81 KB. It's not a kind of problem to download the file. So download the file, and after extracting it, you see the file of single file. Double click to open it, and after clicking on it, you will see this user interface of my software. So all you have to do is put the roll number. Okay, here I'm gonna make a note that it doesn't matter whether it is the person or the target or the profile you wanna hack relates to CS program or some medical or some technical or some the all the programs that are being offered by them. And I wanted to say here that I was told by someone that you can't imagine that University of Lahore has a high database of students, like 20,000 plus students are studying in the University of Lahore University. So this software cracks all the pics, whether they are in a medical field or some mechanical field or some CS field. All you need to do is provide the roll number. Okay, so I'm gonna make a random roll number. What it says. Okay, I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, so let's see that who the hell is this person. I think that I know this person, but here he has a very old, profile pic. मैं इसको जाके पूछूंगा. Okay, so I'm gonna, check some profile pic again. Okay, what number should I make here? 00. Okay, fine. Okay, let's see that was this. Checking. Yeah. Okay, so I think that I'm this person. Let me old pic. So I'm gonna make fun of him after I'm gonna tell him that I like the profile pic. So with this username tool or this profile image tracker, you can access any pic of the student if he or she is studying there at University of Lahore. So all I'm gonna say you at the end is that don't misuse it, or otherwise I'll shut down it. I will first check the connectivity on our servers, that whether it's live or down. So if you're gonna make some fun of girls or some boys or gonna misuse it, I'll shut down it. Yeah, okay. So have fun and crack the pics and just bye bye.